Shopkins, Shopkins.
Not far to the top, Cheeky. Good. It's a long way down. You guys can do it. Just don't do anything silly. What did Strawberry say? She said to do something silly. Okay. Yeah. Woo! Ah, woo! Yeah! What are you doing? I said don't be silly. Oh, sorry. I can't go on. We couldn't pass this anyway. We're stuck high up a mountain. So cold. So tired. I'm so tired I'm hearing things. No, I heard it too. What is it? In the sky, is that Kooky?
Why are you crawling along the freezer?
The three of us have been climbing a mountain.
3?
Where's Strawberry Kiss? So cold. Check you later.
Put your hands in the air for Jessie Cake and Apple Blossom.
Hey, hello! It's our brand new show, SPK Checkout! We've got a great show for you. We'll look at trends, do a Fankin challenge, throw back to the old days, and have a chat with Posh Pear.
And please welcome our co-hosts for tonight, Lippy Lips and Kooky Cookie!
Pleasure to be here. Today's a celebration. We're celebrating the new show.
And we're celebrating having fun with your BFFs.
I baked a cake.
Wow, that's amazing, Kooky.
Hey, Lippy, what's on trend this week?
Oh, organized patterns. You know when you get everything just so, and it feels so satisfying? Stacking items to look like a neat pattern is so calming to watch, and also doubles as tray chic decor.
Well, let's take a look. Thanks, Lippy, and welcome to Trendy Tutorial Time with your host, Summer Peaches. Peaches, you are looking just, peachy. Are you ready to show us the latest in stacking decor magic? Okay, so she started off with a layer of best breakfast eggs from the pantry department. That will provide a really solid base. Surely that's tall enough. Wow, you're really going all out. Nice use of the cold and creamy there. Ice cream. Well done, Summer Peaches. That looks incredible. And here comes Summer Peach's Shopkins Sweetie Little Peach to inspect the stack. Be careful, sweetie. That hasn't been fixed together yet. Sweetie? Sweetie! Well, thanks for joining us for Trendy Tutorial Time. The biggest tip we can leave you with is to secure your stack, particularly around Sweetie Little Peach. Catch you next time. Time for an ad break. Get ready for Rockin' Around the Brock, Rockin' Brock's long-awaited second album, with such hits as KO Me, Solid as a Rock, Celery Break, Turn Up the Music, Big J, and the Fennel Countdown. Get in quick and get a free copy of his debut album, Brock On. This is not a real offer. Don't be a boo-hoo onion. You'll cry if you miss this. In store now.
Delicious. Don't you want some, Lippy?
You sure?
Fine.
Time for Kooky to show us a throwback clip.
Hello.
Where are we going in the rollback this week, Kooky?
Do you remember when Lippy threw a beauty pageant? Actually, you weren't there. I don't think we'd met you yet. I was there, though.
So each show, we'll take a trip down memory lane. Comment below with your favorite scene, and you never know, we might feature it next time.
I think we have our winner. The tiara will be presented by last year's Miss Shopville, Cupcake Queen.
Congratulations, Kooky, on winning this year's pageant.
Oh, peas! Thank you, Kooky. Here, you deserve this.
Check you later.
Super excited for our next guest. Give it up for Posh Pear!
Good evening, lovelies. Great job on getting the fruit and veg band together. You're their manager, right? You better believe it. When I see crisp, fresh talent like that rockin' Brooke, I just knew I had to get them together.
You have such great style, too.
Well, I won't leave the house without my sunglasses and purse. That would be a fashion faux pair. I'm a little jealous. I can't help that I'm appealing. Oh, I shouldn't have, yes.
We're out of time. Thanks for stopping by, Posh Pear.
See you in the small mart, darlings. Thanks to Lippy Lips, Kooky Cookie, Posh Pear, and you for being a part of our very first SPK checkout. Wow! Check you later.
Shopkins, Shopkins.
Greetings and welcome to Shopville. We're in the small mart and this is the Shopkins Leap Off. Ready? Ready. Cheeky chocolate is go. Wow! Beat that, sports fans. You want to go next, Kooky?
No thanks.
Then I guess it's me. Oh, Apple Blossom. The game is on. Are you going to do it, Kooky? Don't forget to get a good run-up. Woohoo! Check you later.
Shopkins, Shopkins.
OMG cheese! Apple Blossom, are you okay? I'm fine. Wonderful acting. I really believed you were scared. Your turn, Strawberry Kiss. I want you to act as if there are cheese monsters. Me? Lippy Lips, I can't act. Everyone can act. Go on. Well... Oh no, it is cheese. Terrible. Again. Cheese monsters? This is bad. Again. Cheese makes me so scared. No. Oh, I told you I can't act. Much better. Wonderful. I'm not sure she was acting. Strawberry Kiss? Check you later.
Shopkins, Shopkins.
Apple Blossom, prepare to be pranked. Hey, Strawberry Kiss. Hi. What's that noise? Huh. I have no idea. It can't be the floor. Cheeky. Apple Blossom? Huh? Where has she gone? Check you later.
Shopkins, Shopkins.
Okay, Spilt Milk, you've got to the end of the aisle to grab as much as you can. And go! Cereal, hairspray, tuna fish, toilet paper? What did you get? Nothing? I couldn't decide. Another turn? And go. Too squishy. Ew, too squashy. Ooh, too healthy. Too donutty. You know you're meant to fill the basket, right? I know. This time I will definitely choose lots of things. And go. Oh, what to grab? Whoa! Look at all the things I got. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Check you later.